Hello everyone, this is Moni Singh and we are going to learn about distance time graph. How we can draw a distance time graph. For a distance time graph, we need time and distance both. Okay. So it can be drawn in a line graph. Basically, it shows the distance and time taken. There are two more types of graph. Those are pie graph and bar graph. But for making a distance time graph, it can be drawn in a line graph. And if a graph is showing a straight line, that means the vehicle is showing uniform motion. And if a graph is not showing a straight line, can't be drawn in a straight line, that means that vehicle is not showing a uniform motion. So look at the example 1, table 1. In this, the vehicle covers 5 kilometer distance in 5 minutes, then 10 kilometers in 10 minutes, then 15 kilometer in 15 minutes, and so on. So first 5 kilometer in 5 minutes, second, then next 10 kilometer in 10 minutes, then 15 in 15 minutes, 20 in 20, and 25 in 25. So after joining these dots, we can get a straight line. This straight line is showing that this vehicle is running in a uniform motion. It is covering equal distance in equal interval of time. That is, it is taking 5 minutes for every 5 kilometer. Okay, now look at the second example, table 2. In this, here we have taken distance same 5 kilometers interval, and time we have taken first 5 kilometer in 5 minutes, then 10 kilometer in 13, then next 15 kilometer in 17 minutes, then 20 kilometer in 20 minutes, and 25 kilometer in 24 minutes. Okay, right? Then for drawing a graph, what we have to check? Same x-axis and y-axis for distance and x-axis for time. So after joining the dots, such kind of line we can get how? So first 5 minutes, in first 5 minutes 5 kilometer, then joining the drawn dots and put a dot here, drawn line, then put a dot here, then next 10 kilometer in 13 minutes. So this is 13 minutes, 10 kilometer, then next 15, next that is 15 kilometer in 17 minutes, 15 kilometer in 17 minutes, then 20 kilometer in 20 minutes. This is 20 kilometer in 20 minutes, then 25 kilometer, 25 kilometer in 24 minutes. So after drawing a dotted line and putting a dot, and after joining those dots, we can get such kind of line. This is not a straight line. So this vehicle is not showing a straight line in graph. So this vehicle is in non-uniform motion. That means this vehicle is not covering the equal distance in equal interval of time. It is taking different time for same distance. Okay, so that is why this is a non-uniform motion. I hope you understood what is uniform motion and what is not non-uniform motion. If any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Now look at the screen.